In recent years, Vietnam has emerged as a vibrant hub for import and export business opportunities, offering a variety of high-quality products that attract global buyers. With its strategic geographical location, favorable trade agreements, and strong manufacturing capabilities, Vietnam presents lucrative prospects for importers looking to diversify their product supply and expand their market share. However, in recent months, the local market in Vietnam has been turbulent, facing rising unemployment and factory closures. In this video, we will explore potential import and export business opportunities in Vietnam amidst the backdrop of surging unemployment rates. According to Agence France-Presse, POU in Vietnam, one of the largest shoe factories in Vietnam that supplies brands like Nike and Adidas, will lay off thousands of workers by the end of next month due to declining orders. Vietnam is one of the world's largest exporters of clothing, footwear, and furniture. However, it is being severely affected by the crisis of living costs in Europe and the United States, leading to a shrinking purchasing power of global consumers. On June 5, according to Vietnamese media reports, over 500,000 employees in Vietnam are currently affected by job cuts, with 279,409 people being unemployed and over 17,003 on unpaid leave. Currently, industries such as textiles, footwear, wood processing, manufacturing, and electronic component assembly are facing unprecedented difficulties. The war between Russia and Ukraine, inflationary situations in the United States and around the world, declining consumer demand, and the need for improved order quality have contributed to this situation. Mr. Tran, representative of Keto Vin Apparel Company, said, at the same time, due to competition for obtaining orders, large companies with a large workforce have to accept price reductions. According to Mr. Tran, inflation has led to price increases. Coupled with rising interest rates, businesses have to increase input costs while reducing prices on orders, which has created significant challenges for the textile and clothing industry. To overcome these difficulties, companies will continue to invest in technological innovation, improve quality standards, and invite partners to inspect conditions in order to secure more orders. Many domestic enterprises are facing the situation of having a large amount of unsold inventory and no new orders due to the economic difficulties, high inflation, and tight monetary policies in various countries, resulting in a decrease in purchasing power, especially for fashion items, clothing, shoes, personal electronic devices, and more. The reduction in orders and the unclear market signals persist. Despite currently experiencing an unprecedented winter, we can still look forward to the future potential of market development in Vietnam. Both China and the United States are eager to establish factories in Vietnam, indicating that there is still vitality in the country. Vietnam offers a high-cost performance labor force, and it is expected to continue attracting continuous inflow of foreign capital. Are you keeping an eye on the Vietnamese market? How can we better engage in import and export trade with Vietnam? Next, we will explore the best import and export business opportunities in Vietnam and focus on key products that you can import from this vibrant country. Textiles and apparel. Vietnam is renowned for its textile and apparel industry, making it an ideal destination for sourcing clothing, accessories, and home textiles. The country boasts a strong manufacturing base and is known for its high-quality products, competitive prices, and adherence to international standards. Whether you are interested in ready-made garments, fashion accessories, or textile materials, Vietnam offers a variety of choices to meet your import needs. Electronics and tech products. Vietnam has experienced significant growth in the electronics and technology sector, making it an attractive market for importing electronic products and components. The country is home to major electronics manufacturers and has well-established supply chain infrastructure. From consumer electronics such as smartphones, laptops, and televisions to electronic components and accessories, Vietnam offers diverse products to meet various import needs. Agricultural products. Vietnam is renowned for its abundant agricultural resources, providing excellent opportunities for importing various agricultural products. The country is a major exporter of coffee, rice, seafood, spices, fruits, and vegetables. Vietnamese agricultural products are well known for their quality and taste, with growing demand in the international market. Importing agricultural products from Vietnam not only offers a wide range of choices but also supports sustainable farming practices and promotes rural community development. Furniture and home decor. Vietnam has become one of the major exporting countries for furniture and home decor. The country possesses skilled labor and a long-standing tradition of craftsmanship, producing high-quality furniture and home accessories. Whether you are looking for modern furniture designs or traditional handicrafts, Vietnam offers diverse choices to cater to different import preferences. There is a continuously increasing demand for Vietnamese furniture and home decor products globally, providing lucrative opportunities for importers. Footwear and leather goods. Vietnam is one of the world's largest producers and exporters of footwear and leather goods. The country has a well-developed footwear industry renowned for its craftsmanship, quality, and competitive prices. Whether you are interested in sports shoes, fashionable footwear, or leather accessories, Vietnam offers a wide range of options. By importing footwear and leather goods from Vietnam, you can leverage the country's expertise in this field and meet the global market's demand for high-quality products. Apart from these popular products, how can we find buyers in Vietnam? The Tendata system can help you save time on information searching. You can find import and export data about Vietnam in the Tendata system. This can help you better grasp market prices and find your target customers. Additionally, you can utilize analytical reports for visual market analysis. These reports can also help you organize a list of importers and directly contact your precise customers. Click on the link in the comments section to contact Tendata, and don't forget to mention my name, Rochelle, to receive an additional 3 months of system usage access. See you in the next video.